Hello, it's Niecy here from Niecy's Closet. Today I'm going to show you a beginner-friendly boomerang shawl. And I'm going to be using this cake from Red Heart. It's called Roll With It. It's 389 yards, and I'm going to use this whole cake, the rest of this cake, because I want to make it a nice big size. Let's see, what else can I say about it? Where's the color? Oh, the color is called Catwalk. Huh, that's interesting. Catwalk, okay. I love the colors in it. It's 100% acrylic. And we're gonna get started. Also, I just want you to know the eye hook is a 5.5 millimeter hook, but it's also a 5.25. So this is the 5.5 millimeter hook, and this is 5.25. All right, I'm not gonna keep blowing air. I'm gonna start showing you how to do this. How's everybody today? We're gonna make a loop. I hope everybody's doing well. We're gonna do 10 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We're going to single crochet in the second chain from the hook, which is 1, 2. And we're going to single crochet to the end, which will give you 9 single crochets. Oh, oh, 2, 1, let me see, 1, 2, 3, oh, this is stubborn, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Come on, number 8. 9. All right. Now, we're going to chain 1. We're going to turn our work. And we're going to single crochet, double crochet, single crochet in the very first chain. We're going to single crochet, double crochet, single crochet. Then after the single crochet, we're going to go into the next single crochet and we're going to double crochet. So actually what we're doing is we're single crochet in the next chain, double crochet in the following chain, single crochet in the next. So we're doing single, double, double crochet, single crochet. Now, what we're going to do on this end, there's 2 single crochets left. 2 single crochets. So what we're going to do, we're going to decrease here. So we're going to wrap and we're going to go into the single crochet. We're going to pull up a loop. We're going to pull through 2. Then we're going to wrap, go into the last single crochet, pull up the loop, pull through 2, pull through 2 again. That's how you do a decrease double crochet, because we decreased on this side and we increased on the opposite side when we did the single crochet, double crochet, single crochet. So what we do now, we chain 1, turn our work, we skip this double crochet. Don't go into this double crochet. We're going to wrap and do a double crochet in the single crochet. We're going to single crochet in the double. Double crochet in the single. As you go down the row, single crochet in the double. Double crochet in the single. Single crochet in the double. Double crochet in the single. Okay, so believe it or not, there's 2 stitches here, but you don't see it. You only see 1. So after this single crochet, no, after this double crochet, we're going to single crochet right here in the double. We're going to single crochet. But wait a minute. There's 1 more stitch. And it's right there. See the stitch? There's 1 more stitch. And this is where you do your increase. So we're going to wrap, and we already did a single, remember that. So now we're going to go into this single crochet, and we're going to double, single, double. And we're going to chain 1 and turn. See how it's starting to curve? Oh, see how it's starting to curve? Let's do it again. Now, what we're going to do next is we're going to single crochet. Now remember, we doubled, single, doubled before we chain 1 and turn. Now we're going to single crochet in that first double. We're going to double crochet in the same single crochet. And then we're going to single again. So this time we did single, double, single. On the opposite side, we did double, single, double. So now that we did single, double, single, we're going to double crochet in the single, single crochet in the double, double crochet, single crochet, double crochet, single crochet, double crochet, oh, double crochet, single crochet, Okay, we're at the last two single crochets here. The last two. 1, 2. And this is the single crochet, the last stitch we did. So now we're going to decrease. We're going to do a decrease double crochet. So you wrap your yarn around the hook, go inside the single crochet, pull up a loop, pull through 2. You wrap around the hook, go into the last single crochet, pull up a loop, pull through 2, and then you pull through all 3. Chain 1 and turn. You got that? You got that? See how it's starting to curve? So, I chained 1. Now I'm going to skip this first double crochet. And I'm going to wrap the yarn around the hook, and I'm going to go into the single crochet and do a double crochet. Single crochet into the next stitch, which is a double. Double in the single. Single in the double. Double in the single. And you continue this until you get to the end to do the increase. Single, double, single, single. Now remember what I said. After you do this single right here, there's still another stitch. There's a single crochet, and it's right here. It's right here. I want to make sure you see it. There's a single crochet right here. And you may want to use a stitch marker so it can remind you not to forget to go into this single crochet here. So you may want to put a stitch marker here. So now that I've single crocheted, I'm going to do a double crochet. I'm going to do a double crochet, a single crochet, a double crochet. Chain 1, turn. Now you're beginning to see it, right? You're beginning to see the curve. Chain 1 and turn. In the very first stitch, which is the double, you single crochet, double crochet, single crochet. And after you do those 3 stitches, you go into this single crochet that's right after the first double. You're gonna do a double crochet into the single, and you're going to do a single crochet into the double. Now I'm going to keep going because I want to make this a little larger so you can get a better picture of how it's going to look. I'm going to continue on doing a double in the single, a single. Oh, see, I'm going too fast. I did, what did I do? I did a double, single, okay. Double, remember you're going to do a double in the single and a single in the double. Double. All right. Now see, I almost went ahead of myself. Because remember, before your decrease, the last stitch you do is a single. So now I'm going to wrap my yarn around the hook, pull the yarn through, pull through two. I'm going to wrap, go into the last stitch, pull the yarn through, pull through two, and then pull through all three. That's your decrease. Chain one and turn. And then you double crochet. You forget about this first stitch here. You're going to go into the single crochet and do a double. And then you do a single. Because by skipping that first stitch, it causes it, it pulls it it pulls it down. That's how it helps make the curve. All right, so continue on. I'm going to stop right here and make it bigger so you can see how it's growing. I'll be right back. Don't leave me now. I'll be right back. Starts to look as it grows. So here's a few more stitches, a few more rows that I've done. You can see that it's looking like a boomerang. I want to show you how to count the stitches. You don't count on this side. This is the decrease side. You don't count the stitches here. The stitches that you count are here on the right side. I just want to make sure you see that. This is where you count your stitches. All right, this is where you make the boomerang curve. So this is the increase side and this is the decrease side. You count the stitches here, not along here. And I believe I did 101 stitches in the photo. So I'm going to make it bigger. I'm going to make it as big as I can get it with the whole cake and the remaining cake that I had left. So this is the Boomerang Shawl for beginners. I'll be back again to show you a new project. I hope you're enjoying me. Please like, comment, and hit that bell and subscribe to my channel. Have a good day. See you next time.